this here. So let's go to this footer part, and here we can just write footer. Okay, now you can see we have this type of footer design. Also, so first we can see we have okay. So for that, first we have to add this container. So let's add this container. Okay, here you can see 1 2 3 4 sections are there, so we can just put this 4 section. Okay, simple, and we can just add this footer one. Okay, now we can go to this background, and here also we can set this as black color. Okay, and also what we can do, we can just go to the spacing, and here also we can set this to 80, right? And also you can see, also you can see for the spacing we can use this like a 60. Let's set this 60. Okay, and let's go inside this, and here we can have this 1 2 3, and this is 4. So for the 1, you can see we have the spacing as 0, and for the 2 we have the spacing as 0. Okay, for the third also we can have the spacing 0, and then for the last one we can have the spacing 0. Okay, now you can see we have this, so this is the 20. Now you can see we want that icon. Okay, the name of our website is Iron Empire. So for making the logo we can use this. Okay, let's add the here number. Okay, and the name of our website is Iron Empire. Okay, now we can just make this to, okay, make this to golden, and we can increase the size of this. Okay, here also we can make this, and we can just increase the size of this. Okay, we can also make this 700, and this would be uppercase. Okay, now you can see, okay, now you can see what we can do, we can just add the, okay, so now you can see you can just copy these things from this. Okay, so we are copying that container to here. Okay, that is like copying, copy, and then we can go to this and paste. You can see now we can just make this typography, and we can just make this white, and this is also, you know, make this bottom option. Go to typography, and here also we can make this like size would be 100. Okay, so this is the first one, and here also we can make this 20. Okay, then we can search for the social icons. Okay, and here also you can see for the social icons you can just add one more thing here. Let's suppose if you want to add the Instagram, you can search the Instagram here, and you can add it like this. Okay, now you can see colors are not looking great, so you have to match from this. Okay, now for the custom color we can use the primary color as black, and you can just make this here like this, and for this color we can use this golden. Okay, let's increase the size of this like this. Okay, now also you can see in the hover we can just make this fully black, and we can also make this white. Okay, looking great. And also we have this hover grow animations. Okay, and the spacing would be like 10. Okay, let me add the entire site conditions, and now let's go here, and we're gonna refresh this. After refreshing, you can see it is started rendering here. Now let's do one more thing. Click on this, go here, and here we can put some 20. Okay, now we can say add this company. Okay, now let's me add a heading here. Do one thing, go to footer and make this at the start, so everything will be at the top. So here we can write like company. Okay, company, and here also we can make this like white. Okay, here also we can make this 22. Okay, here also we can make this list. Okay, here also we can make this list as 20, 30. Okay, here also we can just make this like home. Okay, and here also we can make this about us. Here you can see we have these arrows, right? So we can also use the arrow like you can use this arrow anywhere, any arrow if you want. So let's use this. Okay, here also we can use this about. Okay, here also we can write services, leadership article. Okay, so we can just try add some dummy links here. You can just make your own links better on. Okay, here also you can put the icon and all the links here below. Okay, now go to this icon. For the icon we are using like this. Increase the size of this. Okay, and for the text we are using this like. Okay, and here also we can just like that. Okay, here you can see two things are there, so we can go to the layout, and here we can just enter the gaps like 35. Okay, now we can just remove this. We can just duplicate this. This is 3, and here we can write support, and this will be contact us. Okay, here also we can change the link like contact us. This is ticket support FAQ, so here we can write like ticket support and FAQ. Online support, we can write like online support here. Okay, online support, and we can delete this. Okay, now you can see on hover we are getting these colors, so here we have to add that. Let's go. Text on hover we can add this like golden, and here also we can add it like golden. Okay, you can also I think we can. Okay, now you can see we have this one, right? So let's do one thing. Let's copy this, and we can copy this here. Okay, and this is like sign up for the newsletter, so we can write this. Here also you can see the black color is different, so let me pick the color. Okay, and here also we can just go to the footer and go to the background color. Okay, like this. So this is looking great. Delete this. Okay, now you can see we have 4 values here, so let's give some there. Okay, so if I give 30 and 30 to this, to 60 and 20, 20. Okay, let's give this value like we can go to this like width, and here we can give the 30, and let for the last one also we can give that value to the 30. Okay, and this will have like this will have 20, and this will also will have. Okay, this will also we have 20. Right, this is looking great. Now if I go and see, it is refreshing. Okay, let's try to refresh it again. It is not refreshing. Refresh. So now you can see when we're refreshing it, you can see this is looking great. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me go to this. Here you can see we have 30. Let's make this 50, 30. And for this text, I'm gonna put this 60. Let's see after previewing. Okay, this is too small. Let's make this 70. Okay, so now you can see by going to this and this 90. Okay, now you can see we have to add the form. Okay, so for the form we can just use the form tag here. Okay, and you can see name, email, sign up will be there. So name, email, and this will be not there, and this will be 50%, and this will be also 50%. Okay, label is not required, and here we have like 35. So for the fourth one also we can have like 31, 35. Okay, now you can see for the fourth one we can just put like layout. So size we can increase like 40. If I increase the 40 or 35, let's see. We can also increase the 40. Okay, we can go here and increase this 40. This is also looking great. Now you can see here we have the name, email, sign up. We can have this here. Okay, go to the button, and here also we can make this to like theme 1. Okay, here also we can make this like submit. Okay, we can also publish this. Now you can see we have to make this copyright section. Okay, so for that we can just add this container. Okay, and here also we can just make this like black. Okay, for the spacing what we can do like okay, we can also add this 60, and we don't want to add this at the top like 30, and we can also keep in the bottom like 30. Okay, and here also we can put the copyright thing. Okay, here also we can write the copyright. Okay, this is the copyright 2026, and here we can write like Iron Empire. Iron Empire already is up. Okay, and at last you can see we have the presented by, so we can delete this. Okay, like this. Now you can see at here we have the copyright section, means this links also. We can paste it and we can make this like this. So these are terms and service, privacy policy and cookie policies. All right, terms of service. Okay, this is like a privacy policy and cookie policy, right? Okay, then publish. Okay, now we can just go here, and here we can also have the space between 30. Okay, now let me go here and refresh this, After that, you can see our footer is also looking great. Okay, this is looking really nice. So our footer is ready, everything is ready. We can, let's try to add some. We can add the borders, I think. Okay, so there is no option to add this type of things right now. Effects, blend mode, transition. Okay, so this is done. Okay, this is done. Now let's move to the next section, final section.